Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your litigation support with Relativity, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a clear understanding of your case requirements. Identify the specific data you need to collect and analyze. Next, create a structured plan for your data processing workflow. Import your data into Relativity using the document import feature. Review your import settings to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Once imported, categorize your documents using the folder structure. Implement a consistent naming convention for better organization. Next, utilize the Relativity analytics tools to gain insights from your data. Explore the use of keyword searches to quickly locate relevant documents. Set up custom views to filter documents based on specific criteria. Utilize tagging features to highlight documents of interest for easy reference. Collaborate with your team using the review features to track progress. Create and assign tasks to ensure accountability and streamline the workflow. Monitor the review process through the reporting dashboard for updates. Leverage Relativity's powerful search functionalities to enhance document retrieval. Consider using the Relativity script to automate repetitive tasks. Regularly back up your project data to avoid any potential loss. Conduct a final review of your case documents to ensure all relevant information is included. Prepare your case by exporting the necessary documents for presentation. Implement these steps to maximize the efficiency of your litigation support with Relativity. By following this guide, you will enhance your case management and improve your overall workflow. Start optimizing your litigation support today. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.